Hello everyone, this is my um, new MacBook Pro M4 chip, and this is gonna be my first ever Mac OS that I will use. To be honest, I just bought this for machine learning and AI tasks because I compare MacBook with other Windows laptop, and to be honest, I found this a bit more fast as compared to other Windows. Um of course, I will upload other videos regarding how it works and whether it's really a good option if you want to buy for machine learning or for AI tasks. But this video is just for unbox purpose. So let's go and unbox this MacBook M4. So we have to remove. Okay. This is so satisfying, by the way. Okay. Ta-da! So we have finally our new MacBook Pro. Okay, we have to be very careful. Okay. So before going towards the laptop, first we will go towards the accessories. What we have this charger. I think it's type C charger. Yeah, type C charger as usual, and some pamphlet. Okay, I think we will just ignore this. And finally we have a charger. Okay, just keep it there. Now first we will go to unbox the main item. Okay, I think I broke it, so sorry for that. Okay. So the sound. Okay, so ta-da! I'm so excited to use this laptop for my daily purpose, because I'm working on machine learning and AI tasks. So I hope it will not disappoint me. So stay tuned and best of luck, and wish me a best luck so it will work for me.